David's calling you. David, watch the stream right now. Shit's going down. I can't move you in right now, bro. You gotta wait, bro. Just watch the stream. Just give me a second. Yep, that's me. Probably wondering how I got here. Well, me and my friends decided to play Sea of Thieves for the first time, and yeah, you'll see how that goes. Peace is real. I don't even know where we're supposed to go. I'm like halfway dead.
Hey, look, fish.
Fish? Fishy. Damn, they're pretty small.
No, I think they're average size.
Oh, true. Oh, honestly, I think they're above average.
Some might actually dare to call them above average, you know?
I think I found the tent.
He found the One Piece!
Wait, are you still talking in game?
He found the One Piece!
Your mother again!
Where's the One Piece? Come get the One Piece!
No! Wait, what the fuck?
No, I'm pulling my cock out!
No! Yes, man, bro.
But you ain't never seen a fat man dance. Ooh.
Oh shit, he busted a
Oh
move!
shit, he sneezed. Oh shit, he sneezed. Balls in your mouth.
Balls in your mouth. Balls
That's
in.
it. That's it. I'm out.
Bye bye, John.
See you soon.
That looks so stupid. That looks so stupid.
I don't want fun! I don't want fun! Fuck your mom.
Okay, I see. Your mom is my doing. My doing. Your mother is my doing. Anybody around? Oh, what the fuck is that? Look to your right! Look to your right!
What?
What is that?
What is what?
The big red tornado!
Oh, we're going towards that.
What the fuck?
Let's go.
Okay, so I googled what is a red tornado.
What is it?
It is ashen winds, and it's the summoning ritual performed by ashen skeletons led by Flameheart.
Huh. I don't know how to. Do we keep the sails down?
What we need to do
Guys,
is find
What?
find us,
What?
find us.
Oh, Megalodon!
No, okay. We're not hitting both of these things at once.
What is that thing?
That's the Megalodon! That's the Meggy! That's my boy Meggy! Did I hit him?
I'm gonna fart him.
Damn it, I missed him.
Fart.
Holy shit. He just like swarming behind us. That was fucking nuts. I hit him.
I've got a full charge fart ready for him.
Alright.
Can someone put us so the ship's going forward?
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, keep us closer to the thing.
Uh-oh. I think he may be coming in for a bite.
I got him, I harpooned him.
That is both a really good and really
Bad idea.
Okay.
Where you at, bitch? Where you at?
Right over here. He has 4 eyes. Okay, those bubbles are real huge, so. And fire. Did I hit him?
Oh,
I hit
yes,
him.
nice. We both hit him. Left side.
I
Oh,
think
he
he may be a little upset.
hit him again.
That's it. Bring it around down. Hold on. This, I think.
Oh wait, there's a ship ahead of us. Yeah, there it is. Straight ahead.
You sure that's not a person thing?
Wait, Captain, wait, to the right, we're gonna run into the rock.
We're fine, Brandon.
No, we're not. Ooh.
Why did I just hear the noise for whenever
Yeah, I was wondering the same
the
thing.
prowler comes?
Wait, there's
from,
two.
Like,
There's 3 ships.
there's a
Oh,
ghost ship.
oh, wait.
Get the fuck out of here. What is this shit?
What is this?
Go
There's
away.
3 of them.
Nope.
Nah, bruh.
Okay, I'm pulling a U-turn.
Get us out of here.
Get the fuck out of here, bruh.
Don't worry, I'm pulling us a U-turn.
Battle for the Sea of Thieves, the Alliance of the
You are spared for today,
No,
pussies.
no, shut your fucking mouth. Shut your fucking mouth. Shut your fucking mouth, kid.
My balls are going. Wait, no, John!
John!
No, you're not. Our balls are going.
No.
Yeah, what's up?
Oh my god. Ooh.
What are you doing? Stop playing.
Ooh. Bro, we're wrecking this shit, bro.
Hey, Sue, you better make sure, Sue, you're on the pole duty, okay? You make sure there's no holes. Oh wait, harpoon them.
I did.
Boys, I am flagged.
Is the harpoon still on him?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
No, it's not.
I think
We're about to run into him! Repair the ship! I got him!
You got the ship.
I'm repairing. Hold on, boys.
No,
You have to repair. Me and John are both on here.
Uh-oh.
I killed one. I'm killing him.
Oh, wait.
Slew, how's the ship? I'm still killing him.
I haven't sustained any damage.
You keep it harpoon. You gotta keep it like harpoon.
Why are you all the way over there?
Slew, we need you, dude!
Where the fuck did you guys go?
Oh my god! Where's the gay flag?
I have no idea, guys.
Bro! Oh, I'm dead. I'm
yeah,
dead as
boys,
fuck.
boys,
I'm
boys.
dead. John, can you res me?
I'm coming back.
Hey, John, can you res me? Oh!
I'm trusting your pilot skills to be good.
It's taking me a little bit to maneuver that fucking shit. Oh, I'm being chased.
I think this ship is oh wait, is there a...
Wait, I found an ashen chest.
Yeah, I found that random.
Loot! Get here! Salute!
Almost there.
I am trying my hardest.
Brandon, why did you jump off?
I'm on it still, bro.
Go up here.
Grab the chest and run. Yo, I found loot over here. Yo, there's hella loot right here.
Oh
No,
shit!
you died.
Salute!
I'm lowering the anchor. You guys gotta go. There's loot right here. There is a fucking shit of loot.
Wait, Salute! Salute, you're so far away! What do you mean?
I found a blue gem. Hang on. This is gonna be worth it. Trust me.
You guys gotta
trust
get me. I jumped off.
Die.
I jumped off, John.
we got this.
John, I jumped off. I jumped off with the ashen chest. I'm swimming to Salute slowly. Hopefully there's no sharks. I swear to God if there's a shark.
This is the time the Megalodon spawns.
I swear to God, bro. I'm gonna piss my
shit.
pants. I'm gonna piss myself.
You were just
Oh
standing
shit,
away
there's
from
so
us.
much loot here. What the fuck?
I know. Grab as much as you can.
Ah, shark!
Are you dead?
Dude, he munched my ass. He munched my ass. I made it.
Bro,
Oh, oh. I got a walker. I got the bucket. You get the ropes. You get the bro. I got the water.
I got the bucket. I got the water.
Bro, don't splash me.
Big man got this. Big man got
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Okay,
we gotta go.
I get the bucket.
okay, I'm no.
What is going on? Wait, would require to repair wheel? You gotta be kidding me. I'm repairing the wheel. I repaired the wheel.
Okay,
I repaired the wheel.
okay. I'm driving. Okay, hold on. Okay,
What the
let me drive.
fuck?
Let me drive.
Oh.
Okay, straight back into the battle.
Hey, we got the ashen chest, bro. I'm gonna put the ashen chest down.
Oh fuck.
Okay,
I'm still shoveling out water. There's a lot of loot in the ground. Look at all the loot.
Drop anchor.
I'm going to grab the loot, boys. Where is it?
Anchors drop.
fuck, I dropped the wrong side. Fuck, 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 fuck.
No way, you dropped the wrong side. Okay.
Do we still have holes or something?
I hope not.
We should. Here, let me go check. Hold on, hold on.
Cause like, there's still so much water here.
Oh, I found another staff. Why didn't we bring the staff?
Where is?
Oh, true. Why didn't we bring the staff? What the fuck? Holy shit. Okay. Focus on getting all this chest. Focus on getting all this chest.
Look at how big the waves are.
Oh my god. Wait, are we getting shot?
I hope not.
The wheel's going haywire, bro.
Hang on, boys. Hang on, boys. Hang on, boys.
Holy shit. Alright, I'm gonna drag in David. David, his shit's hitting the fan, David! David! Holy shit!
Raise the anchor. Raise the anchor. Raise the
Big
anchor.
shit! Big shit! Big shit! Big shit! Oh shit, bro! What is going on? Put out the fire! Put out the fire!
Oh, there's still.
Oh shit! There's so much.
There's a hole in your ship. I don't know where, but I saw it while you were running around.
Oh yeah, I see. It's in the back. It's in the back. It's in the back. I'm repairing the hole. I'm repairing the hole. I'm repairing the hole.
No, you can't get in the hole. How did you get to this situation? Like,
John decided to put us into a 3-ship battle.
I'm gonna do it again.
where's the other ship?
Holy shit!
Stop moving so much.
I'm just getting all the water out. I'm getting all the water out.
There's one more.
Look at all the loot over there to the right.
Focus on keeping us alive. I'm raising the anchor and getting us out.
I'm repairing the holes.
Oh,
Go back to the boys. There's still shit. Balls here. Balls here. There's a fuck
I'm
ton
not
of loot out
going
here.
over there. Our ship is actively sinking.
your mast is also fucked.
I got a staff. I got a staff. We're good.
We already have 2 staffs or 4 staffs actually.
No, the mast is fine. The mast is fine. Just get all the water out.
Hang on, boys. Hang on, boys.
The mast is fine.
Let's get back here.
What the fuck are you, fool? What the fuck?
Run, guys. Run.
We found the ship.
What do you mean run?
We found
Oh!
Can I start playing boss music because I can get copyrighted?
There's so many holes. There's so many holes.
She said.
Bro, release the anchor. We have to get out of here. Start getting out of here. Start getting out of here, bro. We need to get out of here.
I can't.
You got. Oh my god.
It's really difficult to get out of here right now, Brandon.
Holy shit.
There's so many holes. You need more wood. You out of wood.
Hang on, boys. I'm coming back.
We have
Ugh.
a wooden barrel.
Hang on, boys. Hang on, boys. I'm coming back.
God.
Holy shit, dude. You need to get us out of here. Someone needs to, holy shit. We need to start getting water now. Water out now. Water out now. Water out now.
If I shoot them first, we win.
Are you fighting that kid?
John, we are getting sunk, bro. There's so many holes.
Oh, wood. I just saw wood.
I'm getting water out of the lip.
God.
Focus on the water.
There. You're not gonna win the fight. Are they actual people or?
They're AI, but still.
Blast them. Blast them. Make them
Ugh.
jump.
Frank is gone. Everyone else focus on getting the ship.
All right, repair ship. Repair ship. We gotta repair ship now.
We're going down. We're going down. We won.
We won. All right, there's 2 holes. 2 holes down to the bottom. I'm repairing them.
I think.
They're getting what? Yes, we won, baby. Holy shit.